Hello, my dear friends and students. Welcome to our classes. In today's class, we are going to learn about the English grammar, that is tenses. Under that, we are going to study past tense. In the previous video, we have studied about present tense and its kinds. In today, we are going to discuss about in detail past tense and its kinds along with their example. Let us look into the topic then. We all know that past tense again is divided into four classes, namely simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂತಕಾಲ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಭೂತಕಾಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಆಗಿ ಹೋದಂತ ಘಟನೆಯನ್ನ ಕುರಿತು ಈಗ ಮಾತನಾಡುವುದಾದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಭೂತಕಾಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಹಿಂದೆ ನಡೆದು ಹೋದಂತ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. Okay, let's look into the first one, that is simple past tense. Then what is simple past tense then? When a verb shows that action was completed in the past, it is known as simple past tense. Okay, this tense can also be used to denote an action or an act that took place in the past and has been completely finished. It is usually formed using the past participle form of the base verb and usually by adding ed or nt like that. And the auxiliary verb did plus base form is also used for the formation of the simple past tense. Unlike other forms of the past tense, simple past is the one which is used most often. Let's look into the examples. See, I ate an apple. This is the sentence. Suppose if you make it in the question form, did I eat an apple? Here, ate is the second form of the verb that we all know, that eat, ate, eaten. Okay. Did, well, making the question in simple past tense, we can take helping verb as did. Did I eat an apple? Here, eat is the verb that is kept in the base form. Okay. We played cricket. Did we play cricket? You wrote a letter. Did you write a letter? He gave me a gift. Did he give me a gift? She waited for me. Did she waited for me? It rained heavily. Did it rain heavily? They shouted in the class. Did they shout in the class? This is how the various examples we can see, and we observe that in the main verb it is kept in the V2 form. Okay, this is how we can form the simple past tense. Let's move on to the one more tense, that is past continuous tense. When a tense is used to show that an action was in progress or incomplete in the past, it's known as past continuous tense. Here again the formation is also very easy. The subject was plus verb, present participle, that is verb plus ing form are used. Okay, I was singing a song. Was I singing a song? We were watching cinema. Were we watching cinema? You were dancing in the class. Were you dancing in the class or in the bus, you can say. Okay, he was writing a story. Was he writing a story? She was teaching grammar. Was he teaching grammar then? It was raining heavily. Was it raining heavily? They were swimming in the river. Were they swimming in the river? This is how we can make the sentences in past continuous tense and their question forms. Let's move on to the one more tense, that is past perfect tense. When a tense is used to show that an action had completed earlier before another action began, it is known as the past perfect tense. Look at the examples. I had written a letter. Here subject plus had, the past participle, that is V3 form of the verb is used here. Then I had written a letter. Had I written a letter? This is how the question form of the sentence can be made. And we had completed the homework. Had we completed the homework? You had read a novel. Had you read a novel? She had sung a song. Had she sung a song? He had stopped his work. Had he stopped his work? It had rained heavily. Had it rained heavily? They had built the house. Had they built the house? This is how we can form the past perfect tense. This tense describes an action which has definitely ended in the past. It denotes an action completed at some point in the past before another action started. It generally compares two actions that took place in the different time periods in the past. Okay, let's move on to the one more and the last type of tense, that is past perfect continuous tense. Okay, then this tense describes actions that began at a particular point of time in the past and continued for a specific length of time up to another moment in the past. That is, when a tense is used to show that an action had been in progress up to another action began, it is known as past perfect tense. Look at the examples. Subject had been, present participle, that is verb plus ing form, had. Okay, suppose if you want to make it is in the question form. Okay, the helping verb should be taken first. Okay, I had been reading a novel. Had I been reading a novel? We had been singing a song. Had we been singing a song? You had been teaching English. Had you been teaching English? He had been writing a letter. Had he been writing a letter? She had been learning English. Had she been learning English? It had been raining heavily. Had it been raining heavily? They had been building the house. Had they been building the house? Okay, this is how we can give more and more examples for this past perfect continuous tense. For example, I had been reading the book since 9 in the morning. Like this, you can take the examples. Okay, I hope that I tried my level best to reach you. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends. Till then, take care. Thank you.